Welcome to this vid looking at how to insert a slide deck into a Google vid. So let's open vids. Let's just start with no template. We're going to go to the slide deck. We're going to copy all of the slides. Go back to our vid and insert those slides, paste them in. Now you can see all our slides have come into that vid template. Take the first one out. Take that one out. Let's see what it looks like. That looks pretty good. Now let's add something extra to the slides in our vid. Let's go into our stock and web and choose music. Choose the style of music. And decide which one we want. We can add that to the timeline. Drag it back to the beginning so it starts at the beginning. We can adjust the volume. And let's test that again. We can change the transition. And let's see what it looks like. If we want to, we can choose to add more things to our vid. We're going to choose another sound clip and add it to the end of the first one. So we have our sound playing the whole way through. You can drag these to the end so they don't overlap. Choose the volume you want it to play at. Then play it to see how it all sounds and looks. Then we can play it full screen to see how it all looks and sounds. We can share that vid just like we would any other Drive file. Give it a name first before we share it. So that could be a template or it could be a completed vid. We can choose that anyone can watch that, depending on the sharing settings for our domain. We can choose to change these settings and then jump back and save. And that's how you add a slides to a Google vid.